Hi, my name is Che. This video is designed for beginner Blue Moon speakers. In this video, we will go over the fifth group of consonants. The consonant sounds are cha, 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 ka, 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 cha, 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 ta, 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 pla, 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 cha, 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 cha. Let's go over once more. Cha, ka, ka, cha, ta, pla, cha, cha. Here are all 52 consonants in the Blue Moon language. Thanks for joining me for this 5-part series. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you found them helpful. Thank you. Bye-bye.